The National Weather Service in Topeka has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Dickinson County in central Kansas, northwestern Geary County, west central Riley County in northeastern Kansas, eastern Clay County, until 7:15 p.m. At 6:24 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles north of Moonlight, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. Expected hazards include ping-pong ball-sized hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following effects are expected: people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Clay Center, Chapman, Wakefield, Riley, Milford, Leonardville, Greene, Milford Lake, and Moonlight. This includes Interstate 70 between mile markers 280 and 290. A tornado watch remains in effect until 11 p.m. for central, north central, northeastern, and east central Kansas. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 11 p.m. for central, north central, northeastern, and east central Kansas.